All right, it's lunchtime and we're in search of tacos. We're trying a place called Agave Rye, which is one of 4 that are part of a local chain, most of them in Kentucky. This one is at 426 Baxter Avenue in Louisville's Highlands neighborhood. Right away you can see this is a stylish, colorful place. So let's go through the front door, see what the inside is like. Agave Rye, known for their epic tacos and their tequila and bourbon as well. Very stylish on the inside. You can see it's colorful, it's eclectic. You got lots of interesting tidbits here and there. And we're gonna sit at a booth. Like I said, lots of interesting decor. Let's get down to business and order something to drink. I think I'll go with a mezcal. Got a good bourbon selection as well, but I'm gonna stick with mezcal. And these epic tacos aren't your typical Mexican street tacos you see right away. You see fillings that you might not find other place. Macaroni and cheese, for example. You don't find that in a taco every day. Also, the tacos here have a double shell, a crunchy corn shell wrapped in a flour, soft tortilla. Hello, it's David Domine, the Bluegrass Peasant, and we are a tequila and taco place in Louisville. And I just ordered some mezcal, so I'm gonna do that. Salud. And we'll see how their tacos are. Like I said, this is kind of an eclectic place. I love all the bright colors, the murals on the wall, the light fixtures. Every time you look around, there's something interesting to see. And the tacos have arrived. We got a plain Jane, the bomb. There's an Alderman, and then this one is called the Bee's Knees. So the Alderman has carne asada steak. It's got street corn salad, cotija cheese. You can see that nice big chunks. And then the Bee's Knees has lime grilled chicken. That's the plain Jane. It has ground beef, shredded lettuce, white cheddar cheese. The bomb over there has fried onions, big chunks of steak, bourbon poached shrimp. All right, so the server said they're known for their huge tacos, and we just got our tacos, and they do look pretty big. So pretty good size. Let's see how they are. So this is the plain Jane, just ground beef and kind of your typical American Mexican taco. Let's give it a try. Good. You got a crispy corn shell. You have a flour tortilla around them. Lots of cheese, which Americans like, so it's good. Which is that one? Alderman. We got an order of chile de arbol wings to start with. You can also get Nashville hot chicken dip. You can get Mexican street corn. There's crab flautas. Trying the bomb. Has lots of good things. It's got steak and shrimp, fried onions. If you're looking for a place with interesting tacos, eclectic decor, lots of colorful atmosphere, then try Agave Rye on Baxter Avenue. They've got an interesting outdoor patio area as well. Some of their establishments have squirt guns outside and things you can play with. They like their bees at Agave Rye, so check them out.